How to restore WhatsApp messages on Android. If you want to restore WhatsApp messages on Android, first of all, the thing is you must have made sure that you backed up. So if you had backed up, normally to back up, you open your WhatsApp, you tap on the three dots icon from the top, and then you go to the option called settings. From here, you go to chats. You scroll down and look for chat backup, and there you can choose your Google account or your iCloud account and tap the backup button. You will see your backup size there as well. So after I've done that, let's say you're trying to launch WhatsApp on a new phone. So let me just uninstall this for now and then simply open up my Play Store again, and then let me re-download WhatsApp. So once I re-download WhatsApp, let's just wait until this re-download process has begun again. So there you can see my WhatsApp has re-downloaded. So I'll open it up and I'll show you how I can restore it. To restore it, we just try to log into the same phone number that we had earlier, right? So we just select our phone number here and we tap the next button. And after we do that, we'll just go ahead and then check if we have any sort of backup. So basically, if you have backup, right, because we backed up to our Google account, it will give us an option called looking for backup, and from there we'll find the option to restore our chats. So now I can tap the restore button there, and when I tap on restore, my WhatsApp chat will be successfully restored. This way I can go ahead and then restore my WhatsApp chats and recover my deleted chats. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.